fits here. What do you make it fit there? YouTube, it is time for the first project in my new barn. I'm not quite done with everything in my barn, but I need a weld bench. I've got everything pretty much right now I have for free. I got an old skid here off a piece of equipment that they were just going to throw away. So I said, well, I'll just take that home. So I got that. I got some old pieces of pipe that was going in the dumpster. I took that home. I got a piece of 3/8 plate steel that was going in the dumpster. I took that home. I may have to buy an additional piece of 3/8 plate, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to buy one because I won't be able to find one that I need. But let me show you what I got here on my finds. All right, I got this skid. Pretty beefy metal skid. Had a pretty good sized piece of equipment on it. I got some old pipe here that came out of an old system that was going to go in the dumpster. Cut my legs out of that. I got some old pieces of angle iron that was going in the dumpster. I got pieces out of that. So we're going to start. Oh, there's the bike sitting over in the corner. I've got some insulation done on both sides up to there. I got to get some more done. I've got a door installed. Oh, sorry. I've got a door installed right there. Look at that. Look at that. Nice little door. Man door with a window. It's all working out pretty good. So I got a few more pieces to cut up on this and probably flip it over, but we're gonna get after it right now. Try to get this thing built today. Probably finishing up tomorrow. So all right, this thing's pretty heavy. I gotta flip it over. So let's see how this goes. Oh, this ain't too bad. Not bad at all. All right. I got to clean up some of this, get it ready to weld. Welder all set up. All right, I'll get a little further along and get back with you. Well, I got one leg welded up a little bit. I got to flip it over and do some more welding on it. Sparks at my 53 sitting out there. Alright, I'm gonna get the other two legs on, I'll get back with you. I gotta get the angle out. Oh, my lighting is terrible. I'm like in the sun, out of the sun. Oh well, still trying to learn it all. But I gotta get some angle iron out and cut it, and we should be doing good. Still got a lot of my tools over in the other barn. fits here. What do you make it fit there? Well, I got 4 more of them to do. Hopefully I make them right. It's the next day. I kind of finished up the welding on my table. Turned out pretty nice. Got it flipped over and I just stuck the plate on top. I got to get another piece of plate for this side. But right here, everything we got here was free. So let me take you a little walk around it. Okay. So this piece of plate was free. 3/8 thick. Going in the dumpster. That frame was free. It was going in the dumpster. The pipe was going in the dumpster. That was free. The angle iron was going in the dumpster. That was free. So, I just got to get a piece of plate for this side now. And I'll have to buy it, I think. But that will make an excellent weld bench, I think. It's going to be sturdy. I got to get a vise on it. I think that'll be all right. I've enjoyed doing this video of the build of the table. Hope you guys like it. And I'm just a collector of scrap stuff, so that's how I get it all. Some people don't like that, but I like it. I collect a lot of things. So I appreciate you guys watching. I tried to film a little bit yesterday with the bike, but all the batteries went dead, so I'll get some more on the bike later. But this was just a project I needed to get done. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, and I'll try to get some other content in here. But this is just one of my builds, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.